People in the cryptocurrency world are very excited about the end of the long running court case between Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. This case could make all the difference for XRP and the whole cryptocurrency market after years of doubt. The SEC has said that Ripple, the business that made XRP, sold XRP as an unregistered security. Ripple has been fighting these claims. This fight has made a lot of noise in the crypto world. Ripple could face major legal consequences, and the future of XRP is uncertain. It's possible that the SEC stance will have a big impact on all cryptocurrency projects and how US officials handle them, not just Ripple. What does it mean for XRPs if the case is over? But what if the case results in new problems for Ripple and the crypto world? Everyone is now looking at what might happen to XRP now that the case is almost over. How this will affect the crypto business as a whole, and what the future holds for Ripple. The way crypto is regulated could change because of this decision, which could have effects for years to come. Let's quickly review what brought us to this point to get a sense of how big this case really is. Ripple was sued by the SEC December 2020 for selling securities that were not listed with the ICC. The CC said that Ripple was selling securities without following the rules because they were selling XRP to the public without properly registering it, which is needed by US law for securities. This was not true for Ripple, though. They insisted that XRP is not a security, but a digital currency like Bitcoin or dirham. This difference is what started the court case, and it has been a big deal in the crypto world ever since. Ripple's defense has been that the SEC was unfairly treating XRP differently from other cryptocurrencies and that the government never gave clear instructions on how to handle digital assets. They've also said that XRP has been used for years and that the SEC decision to label it as a security too late and wasn't fair. On the other hand, the SEC said that the sale of XRP broke securities rules because the company didn't register XRP before putting it on the market. A lot of people, not just Ripple, have been keeping a close eye on this case. The result of this lawsuit could change how other digital currencies and blockchain projects are regulated, especially those that have been looked at closely by regulators in the same way. There may be more clarity in how the government deals with crypto after the ruling, or there may be a new wave of regulations that could change the whole business. Ripple has spent a lot of money on this battle, but the stakes could not be higher because the result will likely affect their future and how XRP is used in the future. We can finally start to guess what will happen with Ripple and XRP now that the case is almost over. This is almost the end of the case. The big question now is what this means for the future of XRP, no matter if the decision is in favor of Ripple or a settlement. It will have a huge effect. Not only could Ripple win, but XRP and the whole coin market could also take a big turn for the better. If the plaintiff wins, XRP will likely be added back to big exchanges that took it off the market because the case was unclear. Now that the markets are open again, it could make a lot of people want to buy XRP, which could drive up its price and make it easier for buyers and users around the world to get. Ripple would also no longer have to deal with ongoing legal fights, which would allow the company to focus on cutting costs. Ripple has been trying to make international payments better by using blockchain technology to make transactions quick, cheap, and safe. And quick, cheap, and safe. If Ripple wins the case, they won't have to worry about legal problems getting in the way of their new ideas. Real world uses for XRP could also grow, especially in the financial sector, where faster transactions and lower fees are becoming more important. It would be better for the crypto market if the case goes in Ripple's favor. The way regulators handle other digital assets might change after this win, depending on what the law says. It could make the rules for regulating coins clearer, helping others grow without having to worry about what the government might do next. If Ripple does well, it could help make the crypto industry's way clearer, giving investors and developers more confidence. If, on the other hand, Ripple doesn't win and the SEC does, things could get much harder for XRP. It could mean that there are more limits on how XRP can be used and sold, which could lower the value of the token and stop Ripple's business plans. For now, The crypto world is on edge as people wait for the final decision and what it means for the future of Ripple, XRP, and the industry as a whole. And it's not just Ripple and XRPs that are affected by this case. Whatever happens in this court case could change the whole cryptocurrency business. If Ripple wins, it could change a lot about how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US. It could also show other crypto projects how the state should treat their own projects. The case has caused a lot of disagreement between crypto users and regulators. If Ripple wins, it could be seen as a gain for new ideas and blockchain technology. Show that cryptocurrencies can live and grow without being limited by old or unclear laws. This would be a good sign. Once a possible win happens, the crypto industry might see a wave of stricter rules that make it easier for crypto companies to run their businesses. This might give other blockchain based projects more faith to enter the market, letting them know that they have a better idea of how to follow the rules. Also, because traditional banks see crypto as a safer and more stable investment, it might lead them to spend more in it. If Ripple loses, however, and the CC is able to determine that XRP is a security, it could make things much tougher for everyone else in the business. The SEC might look more closely at other coins. This could lead to more regulatory crackdowns on projects that don't follow how the government interprets stock laws. This would put more pressure on other businesses and could slow down growth, as many businesses might decide that the stakes are too high. But for Ripple, the focus will likely change from the legal drama to stepping up its efforts to have a bigger impact on the world's financial system. If you win, Ripple could do more to get a lot of people to use XRP, which would make it an important part of the future of payments. XRP could be used as a bridge for foreign transfers so that the company could keep building relationships with banks and other financial institutions. This would allow it to reach more people around the world. No matter what happens, the next steps will be very important in figuring out what XRP will do in the future and how it fits into the growing global financial environment. As we look ahead, Ripple may have a lot of new possibilities after this case is over. If Ripple wins the case, it will be able to focus on growing its business and making XRP's technology even better. Ripple has always been on the cutting edge of making cross border payments better. Now that the legal uncertainty is over, the company can move faster on its goals. Ripple already has important partnerships with banks all over the world, and winning the lawsuit would help strengthen those ties. Ripple could also try to make more relationships with companies in other fields. SRP is now seen as a global answer for fast, cheap payments by fintech companies and money transfer services. If they win, Ripple could also try to get more people, not just banks and businesses, to use XRP in their everyday activities. More work would probably go into making XRP a useful coin that can be used in the real world. If Ripple wants to make its blockchain technology even easier to use, making it work better and be safer, XRP would become an important part of the digital economy, especially in places where standard banking systems aren't as reliable, because this would allow for new ideas. Ripple may also look into new ways that XRP can be used.